and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tara, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own cultured veggies for you and your family. There's so many benefits, and they're so good for you. All right, so now that we have our carrots in, we're going to put this little guy right here. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to go over are what you actually need to use in your jars. Also, I'm going to be linking all of the utensils that you can get on Amazon in this video. So if you would like to know all of this information, keep watching this. You're going to need water, carrots, salt, this little item right here that holds everything down. Now we're going to go over what not to use in your jar. So what we're not going to use are baby carrots. You need the actual carrot with the peeling. Baby carrots, even if they're organic, they're put through a process that actually kills some of the bacteria that you need on the carrot. So you do not want to use baby carrots. Stick to natural carrots. Do not peel your carrots. Number 2 is the water. You do not use distilled water or any water that has chlorine in it. That will stop the bacteria from growing good bacteria because chlorine kills all bacteria. Last but not least, do not use your normal table salt. Throw that out. We need salt that is filled with minerals and good for our body, and it's also going to work really good in aiding this and helping it grow good bacteria. It cannot grow if it doesn't have the minerals that it needs to feed itself. The same with our body. So toss that salt out, get you some really good salt. I'm gonna link these salts below. There's a couple of different ones that you can get. I'm gonna link them below, check them out. That's a wrap for what to use and what not to use inside the jar. Let's move on to measurements. This jar is a half-gallon jar. You're gonna fill the jar up with carrots, and then you're going to get your water and your salt, and you're gonna get 2 tablespoons of salt to 1 quart of water. You're gonna put your carrots in first. All right, so now that we have our carrots in, we're going to put this little guy right here on top here. This ensures that it keeps the carrots mashed down really good so they don't float up to the top. And then pour brine over the carrots. No matter how many carrots that you put in here, the brine must cover all of the carrots, and it must cover it 1 to 2 inches on the top, and that's going to help in keeping mold away. So now let's talk about the setup that we have here. So this is a half-gallon jar, and this is the lid. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the lid that we use, and the reason that we use it is because if you use a regular lid, you have to burp the lid every day, and you're taking a chance on letting air get in at the same time that you're getting it out, and that's more of a chance that mold is gonna set in, and you're gonna have to throw your fermented goods out anyways. And these are precious. This lid is highly recommended, and that's the reason why. It makes it easy, no burping ever, and no possibility of mold getting in. After you've got everything loaded, you've got it ready. All right, so carrots you're gonna leave in a non-refrigerated, preferably dark, like in a cabinet, place for 7 to 10 days. And then you can put them in a regular jar, regular lid, and put them in the refrigerator if you want to, and they're ready to eat. However, if you choose, they can sit out 8 to 10 weeks. Guys, 8 to 10 weeks. So that's a really good shelf life. I really love these. Paisley loves these. It's probably somewhat of an acquired taste, but we really like them so much. You can even add garlic to your carrots. There's so many things that you can do, and it's so neat. It really is. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I hope that you got something and learned something out of it. And if you did, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!